Hello, and thanks for joining us for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial news presented by Centefx, your reliable partner in trading.
Meta stock rose 1.8% on Tuesday to $765.70, driven by renewed investor optimism around AI monetization and digital ad growth that boosted broader tech sentiment. The UK stock market index advanced for a second day on Tuesday, closing at £9,243, fueled by strong gains in mining and energy stocks. Brent crude oil futures rose towards $67 per barrel on Wednesday, extending gains for the third straight session, due to concerns of potential supply disruptions amid rising Middle East tensions. The New Zealand dollar traded above 59 cents on Wednesday, supported by a steadier US dollar, as traders positioned ahead of economic reports that could shape the Fed's next move. Bitcoin traded at around $111,500 this Wednesday, decreasing by 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Bitcoin lost over 6%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the producer price inflation for August, following 0.9% in July. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12:15 p.m., the Euro area will release figures for the interest rate of September, following 2.15% in August. At 12:30 p.m., the annual inflation rate in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 2.7% in July. And don't forget, this Thursday at 12:30 p.m., the U.S. CPI report takes center stage. With rate cut expectations rising after last week's dismal jobs data, inflation now holds the reins, where a soft CPI print could seal September easing, but any upside surprise in core services or shelter risks flipping the narrative on a dime.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centefx. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.